Welcome to our journey through time, exploring the most fascinating historical palaces in the USA. These grand estates and residences are testaments to a young nation's ambition and artistry. From coast to coast, these architectural marvels stand as silent witnesses to bygone eras, each with a unique story etched into their walls. Join me as we delve into the heart of America's architectural heritage, brought to life in miniature through the magic of claymation. Our journey begins amidst the Blue Ridge Mountains of North Carolina, where the Biltmore Estate sprawls across the landscape. Completed in 1895, this colossal French Renaissance chateau was commissioned by George Vanderbilt, grandson of industrialist Cornelius Vanderbilt. Imagine a house so vast it boasts 250 rooms, from bowling alleys to libraries and even an indoor swimming pool. Wander through its manicured gardens, designed by the renowned landscape architect Frederick Law Olmsted, the mind behind New York's Central Park. The Biltmore Estate, a monument to ambition, artistry, and a bygone era of American history, still stands as a testament to the power of dreams. On the rugged California coast, perched high above the Pacific Ocean, sits Hearst Castle, a majestic estate like no other. This sprawling complex, the brainchild of newspaper magnate William Randolph Hearst, is a testament to his eclectic taste and insatiable appetite for art and antiquities. Its 165 rooms and 127 acres of gardens are a treasure trove of art and history, showcasing Hearst's vast collection of artifacts from around the globe. Imagine wandering through the assembly room, where Hollywood elites once gathered, or the Neptune Pool, a Roman-inspired oasis shimmering under the California sun. Hearst Castle stands today as a testament to one man's vision, a unique blend of artistry, history, and extravagance that continues to captivate visitors from around the world. Our journey takes us now to the shores of Newport, Rhode Island, a playground for America's elite during the Gilded Age. Here, amidst the manicured lawns and stunning ocean views, stands the Breakers, a magnificent Italian Renaissance palazzo that embodies the opulence of the era. Commissioned by Cornelius Vanderbilt II, grandson of the Commodore and a prominent railroad tycoon, the Breakers was designed to outshine all other Newport mansions. Picture yourself strolling through the cliff walk, the ocean breeze whispering tales of lavish parties and grand balls that once echoed through the Breakers' halls. The Breakers stands as a symbol of a bygone era, a testament to the ambition and extravagance that defined the Gilded Age. We journey now to the rolling hills of Virginia to Monticello, the iconic home of Thomas Jefferson, the third president of the United States. More than just a residence, Monticello was Jefferson's personal laboratory, a testament to his multifaceted genius as an architect, inventor, and philosopher. Designed and redesigned by Jefferson over the course of 40 years, Monticello reflects his deep appreciation for classical architecture and his belief in innovation. From its octagonal dome to its ingenious system of hidden doors and dumbwaiters, Monticello showcases Jefferson's forward-thinking spirit. Monticello stands today as a beacon of American history, a testament to the enduring legacy of Thomas Jefferson and his profound impact on the nation he helped to build. Our journey takes us now to the heart of the nation's capital, to 1600 Pennsylvania Avenue, the address synonymous with power and prestige, the White House. This iconic residence, home to every U.S. president since John Adams, has witnessed history unfold for over 2 centuries. Designed by Irish-born architect James Hoban, the White House embodies neoclassical grandeur, its white-painted aquea sandstone facade a symbol of strength and permanence. Imagine walking through the East Room, where state dinners are held, or the Oval Office, where presidents make decisions that shape the world. Today, the White House stands as a symbol of American democracy, a testament to the enduring strength of the nation and the peaceful transfer of power that has defined its history. Our journey takes us south, to the sun-drenched shores of Miami, Florida, where amidst swaying palm trees and sparkling Biscayne Bay, lies Vizcaya Museum and Gardens. This enchanting estate, built in the early 20th century, transports us to a world of European elegance and tropical splendor. Vizcaya was the winter retreat of James Deering, vice president of International Harvester Company. The result is a breathtaking fusion of architectural styles, surrounded by lush gardens that blend seamlessly with the natural beauty of the bay. Imagine wandering through Vizcaya's ornate rooms, each filled with European antiques and art, or strolling through its 10 acres of formal gardens, a symphony of fountains, sculptures, and exotic plants. Today, Vizcaya Museum and Gardens stands as a cultural oasis, a reminder of a bygone era of elegance and a testament to the harmonious marriage of art, architecture, and nature. We venture north now, to the banks of the Hudson River in New York, where Lyndhurst Mansion, a masterpiece of Gothic Revival architecture, stands as a testament to 19th-century Romanticism. Its dramatic silhouette, with its pointed arches, towers, and intricate tracery, evokes a sense of fairy tale grandeur. Lyndhurst was home to a succession of prominent owners, including former New York City Mayor William Paulding and railroad tycoon Jay Gould. Imagine stepping back in time as you explore Lyndhurst's grand rooms adorned with period furniture, art, and decorative arts. Lyndhurst Mansion, with its dramatic architecture and storied past, stands as a testament to the enduring allure of the Gothic Revival style and the legacy of the families who called it home. Our journey takes us now to San Jose, California, to a house shrouded in mystery and intrigue, the Winchester Mystery House. This sprawling Victorian mansion, with its maze-like corridors, staircases leading nowhere, and doors opening to blank walls, is a testament to the eccentric life of its owner, Sarah Winchester. Following the advice of a medium, she began an unceasing construction project, adding rooms, towers, and architectural oddities in a bid to appease the spirits and confuse them. Imagine wandering through Winchester Mystery House's labyrinthine halls, discovering secret passages, and marveling at its architectural quirks. The Winchester Mystery House, an architectural enigma and a testament to the human psyche, continues to fascinate and bewilder visitors, leaving them to ponder the stories behind its strange and wonderful design. Our journey takes us to Memphis, Tennessee, to a place where rock and roll history comes alive. Graceland, the former home of Elvis Presley, the undisputed king of rock and roll. This iconic mansion, with its white-columned facade and musical gates, is a pilgrimage site for fans around the world. Step inside Graceland and be transported back to the height of Elvis's fame. Tour his living room where he entertained friends and family, and marvel at the Jungle Room with its Polynesian-inspired decor. Graceland is a time capsule, preserving the king's personal style and showcasing his rise to stardom. Today, Graceland welcomes visitors from all walks of life, offering a glimpse into the life and legacy of a true American icon. Our journey concludes in Nashville, Tennessee, at the Hermitage, the former home of Andrew Jackson, the 7th President of the United States. This historic plantation, set amidst rolling hills and fields, offers a glimpse into the life and times of Old Hickory, a man of contradictions, a war hero, and a controversial figure in American history. Walk through the halls of the Hermitage and imagine the echoes of Jackson's footsteps. Explore the rooms where he and his beloved wife Rachel once resided, and learn about his life as a soldier, politician, and planter. The Hermitage provides a nuanced perspective on Jackson's complex legacy. The Hermitage stands as a testament to the complexities of American history, inviting us to grapple with the legacy of a flawed but significant figure, and to reflect on the nation's journey towards a more perfect union. Thank you for joining me on this historical journey through the miniature worlds of America's palaces, crafted with care and brought to life through the magic of claymation. We've explored grand estates and humble abodes, each with a story to tell, each a testament to the ambition, artistry, and the ever-evolving story of the United States. From the opulence of the Gilded Age to the whispers of founding fathers, these palaces stand as silent witnesses to bygone eras, reminding us of the people who shaped this nation and the events that continue to shape our world today. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fascinating documentaries. Until next time, keep exploring the world around you, for there's always something new to discover, something remarkable to uncover.